Hey everyone, the deadline to submit your performance task is April 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 8:59 p.m. Pacific Time. Let's ensure you know exactly how to submit each component correctly and avoid last-minute issues. First up is your program code. Save your complete code, including comments, as a PDF. Using Google Docs is a convenient way to collect and organize all your code before converting it to PDF. Here are some best practices. Ensure completeness. Make sure your code is complete and includes comments that explain your logic and functionality. Cite external sources. If you've incorporated code from external sources or AI tools, provide proper credit within your comments to acknowledge their contributions. Rubrics check. Verify that your code demonstrates all required elements: input, output, a list, a procedure, and an algorithm that includes sequencing, selection, and iteration. Ensure your student-defined procedure includes one or more parameters, and that your code calls this procedure with appropriate arguments. Hint: when preparing your program code PDF, arrange your code in the logical order that it executes. This approach helps reviewers follow the flow of your program more easily. If your project includes multiple modules or components, such as different sprites and Snap, consider grouping related code segments together. You can place each module on a separate page or clearly label sections within the document. This organization makes it easier for reviewers to understand the structure and functionality of your program. Next, let's focus on your video. Record a short video under 1 minute, demonstrating your program's input and output in action. It's important to showcase at least one aspect of your program's functionality. That means you don't have to show every flow in your code. Just highlight the input, the output, and something interesting from your procedures. Make sure the video is under 30 megabytes. To maintain anonymity, avoid voiceovers or any personal information. Adding text captions can help reviewers understand your program better. Finally, let's prepare your Personalized Project Reference, or PPR. This document consists of 4 required screenshots from your program code, which you'll use during the AP exam to answer specific questions. Start with your student-developed procedure. Choose a procedure that includes at least one parameter and showcases the procedure's name, parameters, and internal logic. Next, capture the part of your code where this procedure is called. I'm including 2 sample screenshots here for illustration purposes. These examples are from a simple program designed to demonstrate the submission format. Please note, do not copy this code. You must use your own original code to comply with College Board rules. Now, let's focus on the 2 required screenshots for your list component in the PPR. First, capture the part of your code where data is stored in a list. This could be where you initialize the list or add elements to it. Second, capture where your program accesses or uses the data in that same list to achieve its purpose. This might involve retrieving elements, iterating through the list, or performing operations based on the list's contents. Remember, these samples are for illustration purposes only. You must use your own original code to comply with College Board rules. Ensure each screenshot is clear, with text at least 10-point font size, and free of any comments. Blurry or commented code may lead to your PPR being disqualified. The PPR is your tool during the exam to recall and explain your program's functionality, so make it as clear and helpful as possible. Once all your components are ready, log in to the AP Digital Portfolio. Upload each component: program code, video, and personalized project reference, PPR, to its respective section. After uploading, click Submit Final for each to ensure they are marked for scoring. Double-check that you've uploaded the correct files, especially the PPR images, to their designated categories. Remember, only components marked as final will be sent for scoring. It's recommended to complete this process well before the April 30th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time deadline to avoid any last-minute issues. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the Create Performance task. Take a moment to appreciate all your hard work, but don't get too comfortable just yet. May is right around the corner, and so is the written exam. Let's keep going together and get ready for that in our upcoming episodes. For extra resources, check out the links in the comments to official College Board materials. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.